if I was to drive and I had my driver's license and stuff and I could already drive, I always thought you could, if there was like traffic, you could just bump people's cars.
So guys, pinag-tricycle natin siya para matuto siya mag-tricycle. It's your first time?
Yeah.
So ano pakiramdam?
It's actually pretty fun. I like the air and feeling.
So iniwan namin yung kotse. Yan. Natutuwa siya. Are you happy? So we're out. Magkano kuya? Magkano? 60? Wait. So yan. Okay na. Thank you. So ano pakiramdam?
It was an experience.